Imagine turning your outdated PC into a powerful AI image generation server. You can now create stunning images from text prompts, all from the comfort of your home. In this guide, I'll show you how to repurpose your old PC into a local AI image generation machine using Stable Diffusion. With just a few steps, you'll breathe new life into your old hardware. Many online AI image generators limit usage and raise privacy concerns since they operate on external servers. Plus, the cost of additional credits can add up quickly. If you have an old PC lying around, why not use it for your own AI image generation? The challenge lies in setting up the right environment and software to make it work efficiently. Start by ensuring your PC has a capable graphics card, ideally with at least 4 GB of VRAM. Install Ubuntu for better performance, and configure Python 3.10 to ensure compatibility with the Fooocus model. After setting up the necessary packages and dependencies, install Fooocus, and you're ready to go. Access the web UI from any device on your local network to start generating images. The key moment is when you successfully launch Fooocus and start generating images. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your old PC come alive with AI creativity. Witnessing your PC generate high-quality images based on simple text prompts is both thrilling and satisfying. With just a few steps, you've transformed your old PC into a powerful AI image generation server. It's a cost-effective way to dive into AI and create stunning images while avoiding the limitations of online services. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content. Thank you for watching.